Hi students. Now I am going to discuss about pointers operators. If you see the operators in the pointers, here we can see the C language mainly provides two special operators to manipulate the data items directly from memory location using pointer variables. So for that we are using two different operators. One is referencing operator, that can also be called as address operator with a symbol and, that also called as ampersand. The second operator is dereferencing operator. So that we are representing with a symbol called asterisk. Okay. Now see in detail of these two operators. Referencing or address operator we are representing with ampersand. This is nothing but the address operator mainly used to get and assign the address of a variable to a point variable. So the address operator is nothing but to get and assign the address of a variable to the point variable. I said that point variable is a special variable, and here if you take a normal variable x, so x is nothing but, if we have taken the x value as 10, so here for this 10 value as it is given to this variable, so here in the pointer variable we can see, instead of value we can see the value and its address in the pointer. Okay, so if you just go with this example you can understand. Here for this is a variable, I said this is a variable x, I said, and here we can add this ampersand here with the x. That is, the pointer is representing the address of this variable. Okay, actually this variable is containing a value, either it is 10 or 5, whatever it may be. So we can say that here the pointer in this example is a pointer variable which holds the address. To represent address we are using here, that is address operator of the variable, that is x. So this pointer is nothing but it's a pointer to the x variable that points to the location of x. Okay, like this. So here it is simply representing the value. So the value of the variable x. So I said it here in this example, I said here, if the value I have assigned to this variable is 10, say for example, now here we can simply say that the value of x variable is 10, and now for this variable address the pointer is holding here. So this is a pointer which is holding the address of this variable, and thereby we can say that the pointer is pointing towards the value of this variable, the value of this variable. So if you just go with the next operator, which is called dereferencing operator. So if you just go with the next one, which is nothing but a dereferencing operator, this is representing with asterisk symbol. So this character asterisk is mainly used as a dereferencing operator. So now it is, I can say that it is unary operator. Unary operator that returns the value located at the address. Okay, so now if you take an example here, So urinary operator means only single. So here we are simply taking a single variable. Okay, now here, say for example, the variable is x. X is equal to the dereferencing operator placed with the pointer name ptr. So this statement assigns the value which is stored at the address pointer into the variable x. So whatever the value that is it is stored here, this is showing the address of this variable x. So hence we can say this is a pointer, can also assume as like this, because it is having the address and it is simply accessing, getting that address with this operator, and that is mainly equal to the pointer, that is equal to the pointer. So you go with one example in C program. So take hash include stdio.h and now start the main function of the C program where the execution starts. Now here the data type variable, and the variable is allotted with the 9 value. So now here we can declare the pointer as a data type is an integer, and pointer lo emundi, the pointer in this pointer we are having the value, the address of this variable. Okay, in the pointer we are having the address of this variable, the address of this variable the pointer is having. So now the pointer is pointing towards here, so with the address of that variable. So now if you say that the pointer address అనేది, if you say that it is only belongs to 8, if it belongs to 8, so now here we can say that in printf the value of x is, okay, initially maybe the x value is assigned to 9, but here the pointer is saying that I'm having the address of the value 8. Okay, so automatically it will take the latest value, and that is printf value of x is equal to, as it is printing the 8 and return 0 where the execution is successful, and the output that you will get it as value of x is equal the latest value of x, that is 8 you will get rather than 9. Thank you.